Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you watched my last video, I told you I'm coming back in a grand way. Hey, this is my package, so everything is down. We are ready to start kicking in this country. Yeah, if you are in UK, Progressive Recipe is here. Full time with every now. I'm set to start baking. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, I love you so much. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the notification bell. Click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. This is the first carton I'm unboxing. You can see this from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon. Not that I'm doing advert for demo, but I'm just happy they delivered sharp. Just a day gap they delivered. It was like, wow. So we're unboxing the first carton, and what you're seeing there, let's see what is inside the carton. Our mixer is here. Wow. This is mixer. This from Tower Company. You can see the brown Tower. So my dear, if you want to know the price, just DM me, or should I tell you? Don't worry, DM me if you want to know the price. Let's check other things. This particular container, I will use it and put my cake flour, different baking powder, and so many things. This grater, this ice cream cube, and my oven glove. This one, let's see, is my set of pots, because this channel is all about recipes. We'll be cooking and caking at the same time. My dear, this is beautiful. I wanted to go for the iron cast, but my money wasn't enough, so I went for stainless. I think it's the best spot in the market. Health wise is okay, very okay. So I went for the sets, and it's looking pretty good. I'm okay with what I got. It's fine. So you can see the beautiful pots. Is set of 5. I think it's 5. Yeah, it's 5. Okay, that is that. Let's go to the next carton. This particular carton, so many things inside. My daughter want to help me unbox this. She don't want me to do it alone. You can see her hand. So the first one you're seeing is our turntable. Yes, I went for this plastic turntable. If the one I had in Nigeria was an iron one, and it's very beautiful, but I went for this because it came with some rishi things like spatula, nozzles, the correction comb, that's buttercream comb, and some piping bags. So I selected this particular one. So this one is our sieve, floss sieve. This one is 3-in-1. I got it because we might need the smaller ones for something else in the house, because this land is so cold. So in case we want to make our tea, as in ginger and garlic tea, we can use the smaller ones to sieve it out. That's why I selected this. This one is measurement cups. I noticed it's a set of 3, so I decided to go for it because it will make me do an easy work off. When I need a smaller one, I go for smaller one. If I need a bigger one, I go for a bigger one. Like, I know not only baking, I can also use it for something else. What you see, I felt it's a strap package, and I don't even know is my food color. This is food color. Yes, I always tell people go for gel food color is the best. I checked a lot of liquid online, but when I saw this, I was pretty good with it because this one is gel. It's just like Pex that you use for brushing teeth, toothpaste. It's very okay. That's why I selected it. I love Pex. On it you will see gel food color. That's why I purchased it. So if you're buying your colors, always look for gel or best food color. Don't go for liquid. I know why I'm saying this. Liquid, you won't understand, but always go for the best. This one is our cake pan, foreign cake pans. Yeah. This is a set of 5. Yeah, that's beautiful. So you can see I'm fully ready for this enjoyment. Yeah, we'll be caking. If I need work, if you're in UK, if you're around Sheffield, please reach out to me because I need to be baking for people also, not only for my channel. I need cake work. I need to be making good money out of this. I'm ready for business in this country. Yeah, I'm ready. You know, Igbo blood, we don't carry last anywhere where we see ourselves. So we always try to fit in and look for a way to start cashing out. So we are ready. This is my ring light. It was as if it wasn't necessary, but it was, because I need a very clear and bright picture for you all, so that when you see my videos, you will think it's a movie we are shooting. That's why I got the ring lights. As you can see, this particular ring light came with a selfie light, though I need to add battery. I'm not setting this ring light now because I'll do it later when I'm at peace, when I'm calm, so that my daughter will not help me and scatter things the most. So let me just leave that for now. For this is my daughter's tablet. This is my daughter's tablet. The one we got from Nigeria had charging point issue. So the money for the new one was, as in to repair it, was much. So I have to package it. Anytime we're going to Nigeria, or we can send it out for someone to repair in Nigeria. But for now, we got a new one for her so that she will allow us, because repairing phone here is expensive, especially when you're using iPhone. So it's better she have hers so that she will let everyone be. Okay, let's check the next boss. The next carton, what's this one? Okay, I'm seeing baking. Oh, this is my baking trays. This is just like a set, different thing, both baking tray, muffin pan, bread pan, so many things. Everything is together. So the price was a bit cheaper when everything is together. So that's why I purchased this. We're making both bread, biscuits, cookies, a lot of things is going to be happening in this channel. You can see a whole lot of trays. I was like, wow. I saw this particular one. I said, wow, I can even use this for pizza. It's looking pretty fine. So check, I saw this beautiful pan. It's small, but I think it's the best, because if I can bake with these three, that means I have my 3 layers cake already. Seriously, though it's small, it's okay. I'm fine with it. It's very okay. So I was very happy when I saw all this beauty. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Join the lovely family, because we're going to be caking and cooking it all the way in progressive recipe. Join this lovely channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free. If you don't know, it's free, just for you to be getting alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert, and that is all, just to be getting alert of my newest video, nothing else. Okay, let's check in the carton. What else are we seeing? Oh, I still have another extra pan. Yeah, it's true. This pan also came with these sets. They were all together for one particular price. Yes, everything came together here. So I was you can see I have more than enough pan right now. So no need for panic. Cake all the way. You can see I'm set. I'm really set in this country. I'm really set. Progress is set. So feel free to drop a comment, lovely comment for me. Feel free to drop a very good comment for me, and also like this video. Like and support my video. If not subscribed, subscribe. I'm okay. I'm fine. This is beautiful. You can see everything is pretty ready. We are ready to be caking it in this channel. Thank you so much to my old subscribers. Thank you for always showing up to this channel. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.